How's it going, guys? This is Trades by Dom. It is June 6th. Market's just barely opened back up. It's 6:30 p.m. on the East Coast. I'm here in my Take Profit Trader account, and man, this thing is hanging on by a thread. So, if you remember, on Friday, I actually made half of the profits. I made $14.90, right? So, made the $14.90. Monday came. I actually got it all the way up to like as much as 2,000 and some change or whatever it was. I don't remember exactly. I ended up making like 500 bucks or 800 bucks, something like that. But, due to the fact of over trading, I lost that 800 and I ended up going down 800. So that like definitely killed my drawdown a lot. And then just throughout the week, it just wasn't. No, I think I started this one on Monday. Yeah, I started this on Monday. So Tuesday, gave it all back. Wednesday, which was yesterday, I ended up losing even more to where my drawdown was basically like I almost hit the daily loss limit. So as you can see, my drawdown is $17. Like, man, this account is hanging on by a thread. To be honest with you, I'm pretty sure I'm going to nuke this tomorrow because $17 really isn't anything. But, I'm still going to try to work it back. I'm never afraid of the challenge. As you can see, commissions killed me because I still ended with a gross positive P&L. The issue is that, the commissions are just ridiculous. So, I ended up winning more trades than I lost. Like, for the most part, I was trading micros with this, but the commissions just ended up starting getting crazy. So towards the end of the day, I started to trade minis, but like with a 2-point stop loss or something like that, you know what I mean? Because one mini, a 2-tick stop loss, because that's like $10, you know what I mean? Just trying to find a way to catch like whatever was left. This is the very last account that I traded on the day. As you can see, I got up as much as $59. So that ended up doubling my starting drawdown. But because this was the last account, and I'm like, okay, let me just try to see if I could work it up some more. The issue with trading overnight or trading after market close is that anybody could go in and just submit a 2-point or a 2-contract trade or something, and it'll go from like your steady like movements to whoom and just drop. And it actually happened to me a couple of times. So taking a couple more trades, ended up going negative. It was down as much as $46, but taking little trades, was trying to work it back. Finished the day at $36 down. So that leaves me with $17. I'm on day 4 of trading this account now. Yeah, because today's Thursday. Yeah, so this is the 4th day trading it. Let me actually see real quick. Yeah, you see, that's not what we're looking at. Yeah, just trying to tell me I ain't me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Let me see. There we go. Yeah, so you see, I had as much as $14.90, which is the very first day. Second day, I lost. Where is it? $14.90, $8.50, and this one I basically almost blew this account up off of the daily loss limit. So, as you can see, a whole lot of trades. This one is a lot of trades, but that's okay when you go up $1,500. So, but $600 in commissions is crazy. But yeah, as you can see, still ended up trading a lot. It's funny that I traded the same amount on both these days, but yeah, it's just these one thing I'm learning about myself is that I need to figure out a better way to maneuver within a ranging market, because as you can see, today was up, down, up, down, up, down. It was just back and forth the entire session. So it's when these moves were happening is like even when I was missing it, because I'm expecting it to stick in the range and then it breaks it. But yeah, as you can see, I kind of moved things around here. I now put the 1 minute down here. I put my range chart up here, and then I put my 5 minute here. And in my Apex, when I was trading today, I'm finding this to work out a lot better for me, that I'm paying attention to the 5 minute more than I'm paying attention to the 1 minute, because it's very easy for you to, get lost in the sauce because there's so much information that's being processed in one moment. You know what I mean? Sorry, I needed some water. But yeah. So if you look up here, I have a code for Take Profit Trader. They actually have the 40% off with no activation fee going on right now. So if you do want to give them a try, definitely use that code so that way you can get the best discount always. One thing I want you to be aware of before getting into Take Profit though is that if you are not like very experienced with risk management, this one may not be the account that you want to jump into right away. And the reason why I say that is because of the fact that it has an 1100 drawdown for the day. So if you hit that, your account is bye-bye. So keep that in mind when you go to try this out. But that's like a pretty heavy con to Take Profit Trader. But when you get funded, like, let's say you get your eval, you use the code Trades by Dom, you get funded, you don't have to pay for an activation fee, which technically makes Take Profit Trader the cheapest over all of the other prop firms at the moment, because you have to do your evaluation cost and then you have to do your activation fee. So Apex and Take Profit Trader are like neck and neck. But the thing is with Apex, you got to wait the entire payout period, yada, 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 yada. So anyways, just keep that in mind. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will be trying to live stream every day during the session at noon, like noon to 2, like in that range basically is what I'm shooting for. I had my first live stream earlier. I actually did a couple live streams earlier in this week. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you hit the page, check those out. But yeah. Let me know down below how you guys did today. Let me know if you guys made some money, if you guys passed some evaluations, and let's just keep grinding. Let's keep trading. Let's just keep being degenerates. But yeah, appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time.